Student of class 8, now we have discussed last exercise of chapter 14, factorization. So in the last exercise, concept is division of algebraic expressions. If we have a monomial, then how can we divide? If we have a monomial, let 12x to power 4 divide by 3x square. So monomial divide by monomial. Then we have to divide 12x square x to power 4 divide 3x square. 3 4 are 12. So 4 x to power 4. This power goes to the numerator, then it will be negative by the rule of exponent. So 4 to power 4 minus 2 x to power 2, 4x square. 4x square. So when we divide, we have 4x square. If we have binomial like x square plus 5x plus 6, this is trinomial. Divide by a binomial. Then factor of this, x square plus 2 3 are 6, 2x plus 3x plus 6 divide x plus 2. X plus 2. Then take common x is common, so x plus 2, and 3 is common, x plus 2. Whole upon x plus 2. X plus 2 is common, x plus 2, x plus 3 divide x plus 2. Then this value divided by this, so we have x plus 3 as a quotient. So this time we have to divide monomial and binomial. Now let us discuss exercise 14.4 and understand the process of division of algebraic expression. Concept of division in the whole exercise. First one, question 1, carry out the following divisions. Question 1, part A. 8x square, 8x5, 8x5 plus 12x to power 4 minus 6x square divide 2x square. So divide. What is the power in the three terms? 2x square is common. 2 4 ja 8. 2 6 ja 12. 2 power subtract 2 minus 2 3 ja 6. Divide 2x square. Then 2 square divided by x square. So we have 4x cube plus 6x square minus 3. So this is the division of this. Now take the C part. C part is p to power 3 q to power 6 minus p to power 6 q to power 3 divide p to power 3 and q to power 3. So take common p to power 3 and q to power 3. 3 divide p to power 3 q to power 3. This value divided by this value, so we have q to power 3 minus p to power 3. This is your answer. Now take the e part. You have to solve by same process. Now let us discuss question number 2. Find a polynomial which when divided by this as a question. आपको polynomial फाइंड करना है. In question number 2, that means we have to independent theorem that dividend equal divisor into quotient plus remainder. Divisor into quotient plus remainder. If we have remainder, question number part A, quotient is given 3x, divisor equal, divisor is given 4x cube minus 5 square plus 2x. 4x cube minus 5 square plus 2x. You have to find out the polynomial. That means we have to find dividend. So polynomial equal quotient into divisor. So we have 3x multiplied 4x cube minus 5 square plus 2x, and multiply 3 4 ja 12x to power 3 plus 1 4 minus 3 5 ja 15 x to power 3 plus 3 2 ja 6 x to power 2. So this is your real polynomial. This time we have to solve question number 2. Now question number 3, divide using factorization. Divide using factorization. Divide 2x square plus 5x plus 2 by x plus 1. 2x square plus 5x plus 2 divide by 2x plus 1. 2x plus 1. So first we have to factorize this expression, then find out the factor, then we have to divide. So 2 2 ja 4, 4 plus 1 5. So 2x square plus 4x plus x plus 2 divide by 2x plus 1. Then taking common 2x, so here x plus 2, here 1 is common, x plus 2 divide by 2x plus 1. So factor are 2x plus 1 and x plus 2 as common, divide 2x plus 1. Then 2x plus 1 divided by 2x plus 1. So we have x plus 2 as a quotient. So this time we have divided question number 3. Now take the next part of this question. We have tried the same process in the whole question. Take the part C of question number 3. X square plus x minus 56 divided by x plus 8. X square plus x minus 56 divided by x plus 8. So first we have to factorize 56 as a result as 1, because here we have x as only. 8 7 ja 56, 8 minus 7 1. So right here square plus 8x minus 7x minus 56 divided by x plus 8. X is common here, x plus 8 in the first term. The last term, that is minus 7 is common. So minus 7 is common, x plus 8. Divide x plus 8. So factors are x plus 8 as common and x minus 7 whole upon x plus 7. X plus 8. X plus 8 divided by x plus 8. So we have x minus 7 as a quotient of this question. Now take the next part of this question. Question number third part E. So here part is 6b square minus 7b minus 3. 6b square minus 7b minus 3 divide 2b minus 3. Divide 2b minus 3. So first we have to factorize this. 6 3 is 18 and factor of 18 that comes 7. So 9 2 is 18, 9 minus 2 7. So right here 6b square minus 9b plus 2b minus 3 divide 2b minus 3. Take here common as 3b. 3 2 is 6, 2b minus 3. Here 1 is common, 2b minus 3 divide 2b minus 3. Then factor of this expression 2b minus 3 and 3b plus 1 divide 2b minus 3. So 2b minus 3 divided by 2b minus 3. So we have quotient as 3b plus 1. Quotient as 3b plus 1. First we have to factorize this. Then we have to find out the division of this given particular algebraic expression. So this time we have to solve question number 3. Factorize of one expression. Then we have to find out the factor. Then one factor is divided in the each part. We are dividing one factor as a quotient. Now question number 4. Factorize and divide the following expressions. Factorize and divide the following expressions. Same process like question number 3. First we have to factorize the given expression. Then after we have to divide. So part A, question 4, part A that is given. x square y in bracket 4x square minus 25y square divide 4xy in bracket 2x plus 5y. 2x plus 5y. This is the expression. You have to start and divide. Right here 12x square y. Factor of this using identity a square minus b square. 2x whole square minus 5y whole square divide 4xy and bracket 2x plus 5. So 12x square y. Factor of this a plus b, a power divided by x and y divided by y. So we have 3x and bracket 2x minus 5y. So this is the quotient of this given expression. First we have to factorize leading identity a square minus b square, a plus b and a minus b. Then divide by, that is given dividend divisor. So we have 3x bracket 2x minus 5y. Now discuss the next part of this question. C part. 42 bracket a to power 4 minus 625 divide 14 a square minus 25, a square minus 25. So again same process we have to apply here, like the a part. 42, write this a square whole square minus 25 whole square divide 14 bracket a square minus 25. 14 3 are 42, then 3 bracket using identity a square minus b square. We know that a square minus b square is equals to a plus b and a minus b. Right here a square plus 25 and a square minus 25 divide by a square minus 25. So a square 25 divided by a square minus 25. So we have 3 bracket a square plus 25. So this is the quotient of this given expression. Now the next part. E part. 7a square minus 35a plus 28. 7a square minus 5a plus 28 divide 7 bracket a minus 1. So 7 into 28, 28 multiplied by 7, 7 8 ja 56, 7 2 ja 14 plus 5 19, 196. Then factorize 196 as a result gives 5. So 2 9 ja 18, 2 8 ja 16, 2 4 ja 2 9 ja 7 7 ja 7 1 ja. Here we have 35. So no need to factorize this. First we have to take common. Here 7. 7 is common. Then we have a square minus 5a plus 4 divide 7 bracket a minus 1. Then 7 divided by 7. Factor of this a square minus 5a plus 4. Factor of 4, 4 1 ja 4 and 4 plus 1, 5. So write here a square minus 4a minus a plus 4 divide a minus 1. So vectors are a common, a minus 4 minus 1 common, a minus 4 whole upon a minus 1. A minus 1 is common here, a minus 1, a minus 4 divided by a minus 1. Then a minus 1 divided by a minus 1, and here only we have to divide. So there is no problem to solve this type of questions. Now the question number 5. Question number 5. Area of rectangle is given. If its breadth is x plus 3, find the length. So when the area is given and breadth is given, if we find the length, so length equal area upon breadth. Area of rectangle is given. Area of rectangle equal x square plus 7x plus 12. X square plus 7x plus 12, and breadth is given. Breadth is equals to x plus 3, x plus 3. You have to find out the length. So length equal area upon breadth. Area upon breadth. Area is given x square plus 7x plus 12, and that is divided by x plus 3. Then we have to factorize this expression. Factor of 12, that comes 7. So 4 3 are 12, and 4 plus 3 7. So x square plus 4x plus 3x plus 12 divide x plus 3. So x is common, so x plus 4, and 3 is common, x plus 4 divide x plus 3. So we have factors are x plus 4 and x plus 3, and divide by x plus 3. X plus 3 divided by x plus 3, so length equal x plus 4. Length equal x plus 4. So this time we have solved question number 5. Now the last question of exercise 14.4. Find and correct the errors in the following mathematical statement. You have to find out where is the error. Question number 6, part A. P bracket 4p square minus 16. P bracket 4p square minus 16 divide 4p bracket p minus 2 is equals to p minus 8. So we have to solve left hand side and check the error. If left hand side is not equals to right hand side, that means error is here. So solve LHS. So p right here 2p square minus 4 square upon 4p bracket p minus 2. P divided by p. Factors are 2p plus 4 and 2p minus 4 divide p minus 2. 2 is common here, so we have p plus 2, and 2 is also common here, p minus 2 whole upon p minus 2. So p minus 2 divided by p minus 2, 2 2 is 4, so we have 4 bracket p plus 2. But here given p minus 8, if we multiply it, so we have 4p plus 8. but here p minus 8 is given. This time we have to find the error in the given question. Now the C part of this question number 6, 3x square plus 1, 3x square plus 1 divide 3x square equals 1 plus 1 is equals to 2. If we solve left hand side, so 3x square divided by 3x square plus 1 upon 3x square. This is divided, so we have 1 plus 1 upon 3x square. 1 plus 1 upon 3x square. So there is error here, error in the following. So your answer is 1 plus 1 upon 3x square. So this time we have solved the exercise 14.4. I hope all of you had to understand what the process of factorization, then after process of division. If you any query regarding the factorization, you have to ask in the WhatsApp classes as well as on math group. Thank you, students.